Can you read?
She, my grandmother?
Huh?
Oh no. Hurry up.
Open it?
Stop. You should cut it this, like, wait, or you can first take this out. She was cutting the packaging.
It was What's this for?
It's for you. Your homecoming.
Oh, I thought it was for you.
How many codes does it take to open one box?
I know, 2. Whoa!
Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, letters!
Please.
Miriam, Sammy.
No letter for me! No letters for the codes.
Sorry. Sammy, here. Oh, that's not Sammy.